Quand il me prit dans ses bras, il me parlait tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il entre dans mon cœur une part de bonheur dont je connais l'écho.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Analim Online, and today we're making a Graze Platter, and it's not just a Graze Platter, it's a Graze Platter under 1,000 pesos. So it only cost me around 898 pesos, so which is such a good deal, and that includes all the ingredients, the board, the materials, etc. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is going to be the first episode of my new series called the Millenial Tita. So I named it that because I am a self-proclaimed Millennial Tita. So I'm gonna be recommending to all of you all my favorite places to eat, like brunch areas, cafes, etc. And I'm gonna do a lot of how-tos, especially since the holiday seasons are coming up. This is the perfect avenue for me to share with you all my Tita recommendations and tutorials, etc. So guys, hope you enjoy the first episode, which is the Graze Platter under 1,000 pesos. So let's go into the video.
We start by purchasing all our ingredients in the grocery. Graze platters usually include cold-cut meats, cheese, fruits, and crackers. I tried my best to purchase budget ingredients to fit our under 1,000 peso budget. To my surprise, I was so happy that we were able to fit everything in only 898 pesos. The ingredients we will be using are grapes, Brie Cheese, Colby Jack cheese, ham and Lyoner meat, Hungarian sausage, breadsticks, crackers, and lastly, olives. The key to making a bountiful Graze platter is in the presentation. So we start with clean hands by piercing the olives in the toothpicks. We do this until we have consumed all the olives in our small jar. The green color of the olives are essential in making our platter pop and stand out. They are also tasty treats. We now move on to our meats. Using cooked Hungarian sausage, preferably boiled, we slice them slanted to give it a premium look and feel. For our cold cuts, such as the ham and Lyoner, we slice them into quarters and fold them from there. I did a tulip fold technique for the ham and a basic fold for the Lyoner. The bulk of a Graze platter budget usually comes from the cold cut meats. And the key to staying to an affordable budget is being creative by sticking to sausages, hams, and bologna instead of using premium deli meats like prosciutto and salami. Now that we are done with our meats, we move on to our cheeses. Using our Colby Jack cheese, we slice them into medium to thick slices. Then from there, we slice them diagonally to form cheese triangles. We want our platter to stand out, so try to experiment with different slices to give the platter structure. For our brie, we stick to basic quarters which we will spread evenly around the platter later. We are finally done preparing our ingredients, and it's now time to arrange our Graze platter respectively. Using a clean board which I got from Japan Home Center for only 88 pesos, we start with the upper left-hand corner. The trick in arranging these platters is to place ingredients that contrast in color and shape beside each other to make the platter stand out. Continue doing this throughout all the corners and the middle until you have filled it entirely. You can customize your Graze platter to your liking, from the ingredients, presentation, and structure. Don't be afraid to experiment. This is a perfect snack to serve your guests at home, especially during holidays and celebrations. It can also be a great gift and small business idea in the future. If you're not in the mood to make your own platter and just want to buy a ready-made one, I highly recommend Aperitivo de Andrade and Mikasa. They make great Graze platters and tables. I'll provide their social media handles on the description box below. We are finally done with our Graze platter under 1,000 pesos. I hope all of you could make your own Graze platters in the future, customized to your taste, preference, and budget. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the first episode of the Millenial Tita by Analim Online. Bon appetit and see you on the next vlog. Bye!